A habitual criminal, also known as a repeat offender, refers to a person who has been previously convicted of one or more crimes in the past and is currently facing new charges. Repeat offenders tend to commit the same type of crime over and over again, but a person does not necessarily have to commit the same crime in order to be considered a repeat or habitual offender. Examples of crimes that habitual offenders often commit include drug crimes, burglary, robbery, petty larceny, assault, trespassing, sex offenses, and driving while intoxicated.